This is a new 2015 Ford F-150. It's powered by four-wheel drive, six-cylinder engine, and a six-speed automatic transmission. The features include Sirius XM satellite radio, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, split rear seats, air conditioning, power steering. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Ron Dupratt Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1320 North 1st Street, Dixon, California, 95620.